Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in quantitative reasoning, we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction. Okay? Today's lesson in quantitative reasoning, we are going to be looking at addition and subtraction. So are we ready? We are with our books and our pencils or pen to get into today's lesson, right? Okay, let's go. So first we are going to be looking at addition, okay? I'm sure we know our addition sign. And addition is about adding numbers together, right? So let's go into adding numbers together. So here we have to add 115 and 24. You arrange them according to their place value, okay? According to their order. Ones in ones, tens in tens, and hundred in hundred. You do the same for 24. Ones in ones, tens in tens. There is no other third digit, right? So we have 115 plus 24. So you start by adding from your right to the left, okay? You start adding from here to here, okay? So we start with these digits first at the right side, okay? So 5 plus 4, you count 5 and you count 4, then add it together. So 5 plus 4 is going to give us 9, okay? Next, you move to the next column or next digit. 1 plus 2 is going to give you 3, and 1 plus nothing is going to give you 1. So 115 plus 24 is 139. Okay? Do you understand? Next we have add 279 and 55. So we have to add 279 and 55. You arrange them accordingly, according to the place value. Ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred. So 279 plus 55. You start from where? The right to the left, right? So 9 plus 5 is going to give us what? You count 9 and count 5. It's going to give us 14. So you write down 14 and carry over word. You do not write 14. You write down 4 and carry over 1, okay? 9 plus 5 is 14. You write down 4 and carry over 1. Remember you have 1 here, so 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So you write down 3 and carry over 1. You do not write 13. You write down 3 and carry over 1. Do you understand? Now you have 1 here, so 1 plus 2 is 3 plus nothing is 3. So you have 334. Okay, so 279 plus 55 is going to give you 334. Do you understand? Good. So next we have add 306 plus 509. You arrange them properly. So when you're done arranging, you start. 6 plus 9 is going to give you what? You count 6 and count 9, add it together, right? So 6 plus 9 is going to give you 15. You write down 5, remember, and carry over 1. You do not write 15. You write down 5 and carry over 1. Okay? So you have 1 here. 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1. So you write down 1. Okay? You have nothing to carry over here, right? It's just 1 you have. So you write 1 and move to the next. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is going to give us what? 8, right? So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 306 plus 509 is going to give you 815. Okay? Good. So next we have here, add 1623 and 259. Ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred, and thousand in thousands. Okay? You arrange them properly. When you're done, you start calculating from your right to the left. So start with the first digit. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is going to give you 12. You write down 2 and carry over 1. You do not write 12. Remember, this is the carryover pattern. You write down 2 and carry over 1. So you have carried over 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 5 is 8. You write down 8. Next you move. You don't have any number to carry over, okay? So you move to the next one. 6 plus 2 is going to give you 8. You write down 8. And 1 plus nothing is going to give you 1. So 1623 plus 259 is going to give you 1882. Okay? Do you understand? So when you add and there is 2 digits, you had 3 plus 9 gives you 12, which is 2 digits. You write down the digit at your right hand side, which is 2, and carry over the digit at your left side, which is 1. Okay? Do you understand? That is the carryover pattern. Okay? So next we're going to be looking at subtraction. We now know how to add, right? So now we are going to be looking at subtraction, okay? So one, we have 598 minus 376. We know that this is the subtraction sign and you can say it as minus, right? So 598 minus 376, you still arrange them accordingly, okay? Even if this is subtraction, you arrange them accordingly. The place value order, okay? Ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred. So we have 598 minus 376. Start minusing from the right to the left, okay? So we start with those first row digits. 8 minus 6 is going to give you 2. 8 minus 6, you have 8 oranges. Remove 6 oranges, you are left with 2. 9 minus 7 is going to give you 2. Okay? You have 9 bananas. Take away 7, you are left with 2 bananas. 5 minus 3 is 2. Okay? So 598 minus 376, your answer is going to be 222. Okay? Do you understand? Good. Next we have 864 minus 329. 864 minus 329. You arrange it accordingly, ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred, okay? So you start minusing from the right to the left. So 4 minus 9, it can't go. 4 is smaller than 9, so we can't minus 4 minus 9. So we borrow from the next number beside 4. And the next number beside 4 is 6, so we borrow 1 from 6. And when we're borrowing 1 from 6, if 1 is coming over here, it's coming as a bundle, which is 10. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So 14 minus 9 is going to give you 5. Okay? 14 minus 9 is going to give you 5. You are left here with 5. 5 minus 2 is going to give you 3. And 8 minus 3 is going to give you 5. Do you understand that? We borrowed, okay? 4 minus 9, it cannot go. 4 is smaller than 9, so it cannot minus. So we borrowed from 6. And when we're borrowing 1 from 6, it's coming as 10, a bundle. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So we have 14 here. 14 minus 9 is 5. When you're done here, you move over here. Here we borrowed 1 over here. So here we are left with 5. So 5 minus 2 is 3. And 8 minus 3 is 5. Do you understand? So this is our answer. 864 minus 329. The answer is 535. Okay? Do you understand? Let's look at another example. Here we have 2,821 minus 480. You arrange them accordingly: ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred, thousand in thousand. So 1 minus 0 is still 1. 2 minus 8, it can't go. 2 is smaller than 8, so you borrow from the next number. And as you are borrowing from 8, you are carrying 1 over here, making it 12. You are carrying 1 as a bundle of 10, making it 12. 12 minus 8 is going to give you 4. You write down 4. Here you are left with 7. 7 minus 4 is going to give you 3. So you write down 3. And 2 minus nothing is 2. So 2,821 minus 480, you are left with 2,341. Okay? Let's look at word problem in solving addition and subtraction. John had 764 toy cars. He bought 328 more. How many toy cars does John have now? So John had 764 toy cars. Then he bought more. He bought 328 more. So he bought and added. So this is addition, okay? So 764 plus 328, you add, you arrange them according to their place value, okay? Ones in ones, tens in tens, hundred in hundred. So 4 plus 8 is going to give you 12. You write 2 and carry 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. You write down 9. Then 7 plus 3 is 10. You write down 10 because there is no other number for you to carry over, okay? So you write down 10. So 764 plus 328, the answer is 1,092. So John have 1,092 toy cars now, okay? Let's look at another word problem. Mary had 485 apples. She gave 237 apples to her friends. How many apples does she have left? Mary had 485 apples. So Mary had 485 apples. Then she gave her friends, she gave out, okay? She gave her friends 237 apples. So how many apples does she have left? What is left? She gave out. She had 485 and she gave out 237. So that is minus. So 485 minus 237. 5 minus 7, it can't go. You borrow. When you borrow 1, it becomes 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. Here is left with 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. And you're left 4 minus 2 is 2. So 485 minus 237, you will have 248 apples left. Mary has 248 apples left, okay? Do you understand? Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignments. We understood everything on today's lesson on addition and subtraction, right? Okay, that is good.